Today we're doing a TOTE Unboxing, which is a rental subscription service. If you want to see what I got in my tote, stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gordon-Goldstein and I'm a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. Today we have a little bit of a different video, as you could probably tell by the title. Today we have a TOTE unboxing and try on. I've been doing TOTE for almost 7 years now, which is crazy. I took about a year off just with everything going on. I wasn't going in the office, so I didn't need, really a rotating wardrobe at all because I was in sweatpants and leggings most of the time. But I'm back at my office for my full-time job, and TOTE has been something that I've really enjoyed over the years. I am excited to get back into it. I've lost some weight over the last year. A lot of my clothing does not fit me anymore. It's just too big. And so I've been trying to thrift a lot of my new wardrobe, but sometimes, you just can't find what you want or the styles or the size that you need. So I feel like TOTE is really gonna be a good way for me to kind of build back up my wardrobe, or at least feel like I have new items to wear, because that's kind of half the fun of shopping, is feeling like you have new items to wear. TOTE is a rental. I probably should have started with this. TOTE is a rental subscription service. It's basically like Stitch Fix, except you can actually wear the items. That's really awesome because you can wear them for however long you want to, send the items back. You don't have to clean it, they clean everything for you, and then they will style your next tote for you. You can swap items out, and then you get your next tote and have more items to wear. If you like the items, you can keep them. It's a really awesome service. Even if you don't keep anything, it's nice to just have new pieces rotate through your wardrobe, try out new trends, see if you like them or not, if they're for you, without committing or spending money on something that may not be in style for too long. So I don't know, I just really liked it. This is actually my 141st tote, so I've done quite a few of these. I'm excited to see what's in here. This is much smaller than normal. So basically what we're gonna do is unbox my tote, and so I guess untote it, and then I will show you everything that I got in here. I do the 3 clothing, 2 accessories tote, and they have a lot of different options if you don't want any accessories at all, and different kind of numbers of items that you can get. They also have a maternity option, which is probably great if you're expecting and you don't want to buy a whole wardrobe of maternity clothing since you're only going to be wearing it for a few months. After we unbox this, then I'll kind of do a little try on and show you everything that I got, and you can help me decide if I should keep any of these or not. I'll also tell you how much everything is if I keep it. It's discounted off of the retail price. They have great brands. And if you're ever interested in TOTE, you can try your first tote for free. Link is down in the bio if you're interested. Let's open it up. So when you unbox it, they send you this little card of everything that you got, and then with the retail prices and like TOTE price of everything, and then if anything is on sale, in addition to the TOTE price, it'll also tell you what that price is. I will tell you the prices kind of as I try things on, but let's open this little guy. They also give you a return shipping bag, so you can just put everything in here and either schedule a USPS porch pickup or drop it off in a post office box, or at the post office when you're done. They will style a tote for you, and then based on your measurements and everything like that, but if you want to swap anything out before they send it to you, you're able to do that. I pretty much do that every time just because, I don't know, I'm kind of picky and I like to choose specific items that I want, if I have an event that I'm going to, or if I just want stuff to wear for work, or if I'm going on a trip, it's nice to be able to choose what you want. So that's what I did here. I swapped in all of these items. Let's start with the accessories. So like I said, I do 3 pieces of clothing and 2 accessories. So it could be jewelry, scarves, bags, things like that. But I got 2 pairs of earrings. These are much chunkier than I thought they would be. These are the, let's see here, the Noir Luxe Mini Thick Open Huggies. And they're real chunky gold earrings. I did not think they were gonna be this big. We'll see what these look like. And then the other pair of earrings I got, these look just like I thought they would. These are the Octavia and Company multicolor hoop earrings. And I don't know, they're just really cool. So I will try these on as well. First piece of clothing is gonna be this Splendid Eco Super Soft Long Cardigan. And I don't know why, I thought this would be more of like a sweater material, but it's just kind of a long open front cardigan. It's got pockets, so we'll see what this looks like. Excited about that. Then we have this Max Studio, what is this called? This is the ruffle sleeve tie front top, and it's sort of like a gingham pattern tie waist, kind of ruffly sleeve. I thought this would be really great for work, so we'll see what that looks like. And then the last piece of clothing I got is this top. This is French Connection, and this is the frill v-neck top, and it's kind of like a minty blue-green color with sort of pleated and ruffle sleeves and this like neck detail, and it's just really flowy. So let's get to the try on. All right, so first up we have this Max Studio kind of ruffle sleeve top with the gingham pattern. I really like the waist detail, and it sort of has like this smocking or shearing in the back. I don't know if I like how this like kind of overhangs here, but it's really cute. I also don't know if I like how the bow tie is right in the middle, but I guess I could tie it in the back or off to the side, but there's two little like loops here, so it might look kind of funny if I do that. I like the V neckline, and the ruffle sleeves are very cute. I do like that. Here it is a little bit closer, kind of has like that peplum look to it. And yeah, I don't know if you can see, there's like, when something has a belt or whatever, it has those ties here, so I don't know that I could tie it a different way. That might look kind of funny. I don't know, this is a maybe for me. And let's look at price. So Max Studio ruffle sleeve tie front top, I got this in a size medium, and this retails for $78, but if you purchase it through TOTE, so if I kept this, it would be $55. I don't think, for me, this is gonna be worth the $55, but it is very cute, so I will definitely wear it to work a few times. And then I have the Octavia & Co. earrings in. I think they're very cute. I don't normally wear hoops this big, but I like how they're sort of like multicolored, and they're very fun. So I like those. And those are, let's see here, they retail for $24, and if I kept them, these would be $16. So that is not bad at all. So I'll see how much I wear them, how much I like them, and maybe they will be added to my collection. Okay, so next up is this French Connection top, and already I can tell you that the neckline is driving me absolutely crazy, but we will get to that. It's a very flowy top. I wanted to show it to you untucked so you could see kind of the hemline and how flowy it is. It's definitely shorter in the front and longer in the back, and it has these little kind of cap flutter sleeves. It's kind of like a double layer with this V-neck, and I would probably wear it more tucked in with like a French tuck or something in the front. But the neckline is driving me crazy, and I'll show you why. I'm not really sure if I just got a weird one, but it's like it doesn't want to behave, you know? It's like almost inside out or something back there, and it doesn't lay nicely at all. Like I cannot get this to work, and then it just feels like I'm like choking myself. So I don't really know what's going on with this neckline, but otherwise I really like the top, and here's kind of the color and the pattern. I think that looks nice, but I don't know, this neckline would drive me crazy. So maybe I'll wear it once to work and send it back, but this is definitely not a keeper just based on that neckline. And this is the French Connection frill v-neck top. This doesn't say what the retail is, but it's on sale with Tote for $35, so it's 65% off, which would mean that this is like a $90 shirt. So I don't know, maybe it just got rented a few too many times, I don't know, but this would drive me crazy. Next, let's take a look at these earrings, and I'm surprised how much I like them. They're very different and they're really chunky, but I like that. And these are the Noir Luxe Mini Thick Open Huggies. These retail for $24 and the Tote price is $18. But this is what they look like. They are super chunky, but I really like them. So these may be a keeper. Let me know, what do you think? Last thing is the cardigan, so let me grab that and just put that over top of this. Okay, so here we have the cardigan, and it's just like a black, very lightweight cardigan. I got this in a size medium, and let's see what we think. Interesting. Okay, first off, the sleeves are very long on me, and just for reference, I'm 5'4", and it goes down pretty far here, but the sleeves are super long. There's like a ribbed detail kind of along here, but I'm going to roll that up because otherwise I can't really wear this. Let's roll the sleeve up. I don't know, that might almost make the sleeve too chunky down there. I don't know, it looks kind of chunk, I don't know. We've got it over these flutter sleeves. I think the rest of it's very nice. We've got some pockets here. It's very flowy. And yeah, other than these sleeves, this is very nice. It's not too tight here. It's kind of a looser fit, very comfortable. And yeah, I would say it's slightly oversized. It's a tiny bit longer in the back than the front. You can see this is kind of where the front is. And I mean, I like it, but I don't think I like the sleeve situation. So let's see price-wise what we've got here. And this is by Splendid. It's the Eco Super Soft Long Cardigan. This retails for $148. If I kept this with Le Tote, it would be $98. So for me, I don't think this, with how much I don't like the sleeves, is worth $98, but I will certainly wear it to work a few times this week to get the use out of it. You know how offices are, you turn the AC on, it gets a little chilly. So this will be great for that. I'm looking for something like this right now for in my wardrobe, but I don't like this thick sleeve situation. If you have longer arms than I do, this would probably be great. But for me, having to roll these sleeves and making them chunky like this just isn't going to work. So I think my favorites, I don't think I'll be keeping this because of the neckline, not this because of the sleeves. I really like these gold earrings, and I did like the other hoops a lot as well. And the first top, the gingham top, that's a maybe for me. So let me know what you guys think of all the items. Do you like any of them? I know this is a new type of video for me, so if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to see more content like this. It's kind of along the lines of thrifting and clothing recycling because these are rented items, which I think is great. It also helps add to my closet without having to pay retail for brand new items, and it's a great way to swap out your wardrobe. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.